Welcome to the Webdadi tutorial video for adding and removing featured properties from your website. Once you have logged into VIA, navigate to the left-hand side dashboard and click on the menu item called Website Management, which will reveal a further drop-down menu. Now click on Featured Property, which will open the Featured Property dashboard to the right of the screen. If you double-click on Featured under the Name column, this will open your Featured Property dashboard. You will see a search box under the list of your existing featured properties. You can choose to search within either sales or rentals. If the property you wish to add has already been uploaded to your property, it will be retrievable from the search box. To add a property that you have searched for, then simply click the green plus button next to the property address, and this will add it to the list of active featured properties. To remove a property, simply click the red stop symbol next to the property. If you wish to change the order of the properties on your website, this is done by dragging the properties above or below each other in the list you have created. The first property at the top of the list will correlate to the first property on the left of your home page. The second will be the middle, and the third down will be on the right. Once you have finished making all of your amendments, the final step is to click Save and Close, the blue button at the top left of the page. You have now updated your featured properties.